Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss our next topic, that is operation on a file, in which we have to write our data in our binary file. Okay. So in that we just need the two file stream. One is the file output stream and another is the data output stream. Okay. Now in the file output stream, the role of the file output stream is to link your file with your file output stream is used to link the file with our Java. That is, there is a one file, suppose abc.dat. The binary file extension is .dat. Okay, so binary file extension. Your binary file extension. What is the meaning of the extension? That is dot by which it is saved. So dot dat is there. And suppose we have taken the file abc.dat and abc.dat we had created the file. So file output stream just connect your file, your abc.dat file with your Java program. Okay. And next is the data output stream. So data output stream will connect your file with your file output stream, and file output stream is having your file name, and that is connected with our data output stream. And to write the data, we are having some functions by which we can write the data. So for example, we are having different function, write byte. So write byte function is used to write any byte data type in your .dat file, that is in your binary file. Write int for the integer, write float for your decimal value. So only the write will come, write double, write boolean, write UTF. There is also one is there, write UTF. UTF is just to write for the string. Some string if you want to write, you can use the UTF. Okay. And there is a one more function by which you can write our data of a string as a write char, write WRIT, write char s, then your string. You can pass here a string and that value will be returned to your file. Okay. So we are having so many functions: byte, write byte, write int, write float, write double, write UTF, write char s, write short, write long, write boolean. Okay. Is it clear now? There is a one more function we will discuss for our write only string, that is your write bytes. Write bytes, then you pass the string here and your string will be written in the file. So these are the functions and these functions are of data output stream class. ठीक है, ये जो functions है आपके, ये सब किसके data output stream class के function है. और अब इसका रोल पता चला हमें कि file output stream का रोल क्या है. It is used to connect your file, your .dat file, that is your binary file, to your output, to your different Java program. And file output stream, we are having these functions, and these functions where they will write a function in the file output stream object. And what is the file output stream object contain? It contains the link that have the between the file name and that is the file as a with the Java program. Okay. So now we will just create the program. Is it clear? And only these two file output stream classes are used in this. For the binary, these output classes, this file output stream and data output stream, only these two classes are used in our program. So let's start our program. Import java.io.star, take the class binary file or any name, then public static void main. Then what we have to take? We have to take the name of the file. So let's take the name of the file, string name equals to this is you are having some address, E drive abc.dat. Suppose we have taken the file name. This file name will vary with your file. ठीक है, the file name will be vary with your file name. आप इसी जगह अपनी कोई भी फाइल का नाम लिख सकते हैं. That whatever you want to give the name of your file, you can take it. Okay. So abc.dat. After that we will just create the buffer reader. Buffer reader for our writing, for our reading purpose, for to take the input from the user. ठीक है, हम क्या करेंगे, इनपुट लेंगे यूजर से और वो अपना यूजर कहां पर दे देगा, abc.dat फाइल में हम एंटर कराएंगे, उसमें हम राइट करेंगे. तो बफर रीडर br इक्वल्स टू न्यू बफर रीडर इन ब्रैकेट न्यू इनपुट स्ट्रीम रीडर and system dot. Okay, this is how we created our object buffer reader. We are also new buffer reader bracket new input system reader bracket with system dot in. Now we will now start our writing purpose. Suppose we have to write some name. I will just write the name of some of the students in our file. Okay, now this much you have to, and that part will be in our try. So try open. After that we have taken the string, suppose n. String n is for the string name. That is it will just hold the name of the student that we are going to write. Okay. Now I am just rubbing this board. Now we are having the name, the file name is having. So we are having the two variables. One is the name that have the file name, and another is the n that is the string, that is the name of the student that we have to write. Or we can say that this is our data to write, to be written. ठीक है, जो हमारा डेटा है हमें लिखना है. And file writer and file we did not created the objects of it. ना चलो. So after that we will write the file output stream fw equals to new file output stream, and in this we just pass the argument. In this we just pass the argument of our file name, and file name is held in which variable? Name. We will pass here name. Okay. After that data output stream. In data output stream, we suppose take the dw equals to new data output stream. New data output stream. Here we are just passing your file fw. Okay, we just transfer the file fw. Now your fw is connected with your file that is the abc.dat. ठीक है, ये आपका fw किससे कनेक्ट हो गया? नेम से, and your dw connected with your fw. So we have just created the link between these two. Now after that we have to write, suppose we have to write the 5 student name or a single student name. ठीक है, हम एक सिंगल स्टूडेंट का नाम उसको प्रिंट करके देखते हैं जैसे कैसे करेंगे. तो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू टेक द नेम ऑफ द स्टूडेंट. सो सपोज सिस्टम डॉट आउट डॉट println enter name of student. So name of student we have taken in the variable n. So n equals to s not sc br post. We are taking the name now, so we just don't need to give the parse. We directly write br dot read line. Okay. Now br dot read line, our data is in our variable n. At this variable n, the value that is holding by the variable n will be written in the file abc.dat. Okay. So now this is the string. ये कौन सा हमारा एक स्ट्रिंग है, और स्ट्रिंग के लिए हम कौन सा फंक्शन यूज करेंगे? स्ट्रिंग के लिए कौन सा फंक्शन हम लोग यूज करेंगे? दैट इज अवर स्ट्रिंग, दिस वन char s or the utf or bytes. Okay. So n equals to readline, then dw. What is write with our dw dot write dw dot write char s or the UTF, but UTF we will not use, we will use the write char s, and in this we will just pass our variable n. In this we just pass our variable n. Now your n data will be written in the file abc.dat. Correct? After that, what this one, your try will be closed here. Then catch, exception, e, catch open, catch close. There is nothing to write, or you want to write anything, then you can write. Okay. After that, your dw and fw will be closed. So dw dot close and your fw dot close. Main close, your class will be closed here. So this is the program by which we can write our data into a binary file. Clear? And suppose you want to write not the single name, you want to write some more name, then you just provide the loop. अगर हमें एक से ज़्यादा नेम को साथ में लिखना है, then suppose we want to enter the 10 names, तो हम कैसे लिखेंगे? For int I equals to 1, I is less than equals to 10, I plus plus, and n equals to s br dot readline. Clear? Br dot readline, then dw dot write char s, and we will pass the n. Close. Okay? In this way, you will just enter the 10 names, and that 10 names will be written on our file dw dot write char s n. Okay? So in this way, we just write the name of the students in our file binary, that is your abc.dat file. It is clear? Now, if you are having any doubt in this, you can ask. Okay? And watch this video also.